got more coming into the ranch for parking. Sergeant Pyro has them, everybody.
Charging double.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, if you're late, you got to pay double. That's right. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that effect. Whoa! Oh, that's okay. Cheap wheel. It's still cool though. All right, you gotta park over on the side. There we go. We got people coming in always last minute to the ranch. Wait, this fountain had some weight to it. What a whistle! Oh, I don't know if I can hear myself. Whoa! That was cool.
I heard that in California.
Oh, look at that! It's spinning! Wicked! Whoa! Kill the lights! There we go. Alright. Whoa! Whoa! That is like a reddish, definitely a reddish color. Oh! A little smoky, but I love it. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Don't quit! Whoa! Oh, whoa! This is awesome! Remember, get yours at SantanFireworks.com! Whoa! Whoa! Martians are shooting at us! Whoa! Whoa! All right, we're about almost 2/3 through. Whoa! It's kicking in! UFO! Monkey Mania. Thank you, Sergeant Pyro.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! Whoa! Ouch! Don't get too close to it. You'll be saying ouch. Whoa! That is gorgeous. Whoa! Whoa!
Very nice.
Beautiful! Go Monkey Mania! We're waiting, people. Whoa! So, here we go. We got people coming in tonight, Sergeant. They're always late, Sergeant Pyro.
Late. Sorry about that, boss.
That's all right, sir. You're in charge of security and parking and the popcorn van.
Woo!
Yep, free popcorn. Whoa! There we go. Let's see. He's thinking. Oh, wait. There he goes. Oh, wicked! Look at that! He's still got, wait, he's got one. Here we go, people! Here we go. This should be good. This should be good. Whoa! 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 That is beautiful. It's gold. It's gold in them there fountains. Whoa! 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 That. Whoa! Oh my! All right, I'm gonna. Yeah, oh yeah, you. All right, there he goes, people. That is so cool. So we're gonna do one at a time, but we're gonna keep filming. So here we go. Here's the first one. Whoa! Some pretty decent height for it. All right, that was yellow. All right, now here's another yellow one. Whoa! All right, yeah, they're kind of quick. Hence why we're doing them all at the same time here. Well, one individually, but there we go. Whoa! Well, that one's got a little bit of a kick. There we go. Ah, it's got that pyro smell. All right, let's do the last one. Very good, birds. All right. Wait for the show. All right, that's okay. Thank you, Sergeant Pyro. He's also doing parking. Whoa! Whoa! He's got a red flame on his head, Sergeant Pyro. Oh! Whoa! Cherry red! Whoa! Whoa! We're getting back. This is going to be so... Whoa!
Dude. You got lift on.
Whoa! Whoa! That is freaking... If it takes off, we're in trouble. Holy! Santan Fireworks, baby! That is the coolest thing. I thought the last one was... Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit! We got back about 10 feet. That is so wicked. Wow, look at the red flame in the middle. Oh, it's slowing down like, whoa. Holy, we're gonna zoom in on, look, that was... Whoa, oh, look. Whoa. Ooh, I only got one. We'll do one at a time, let's see. Okay, now that was red. Let's do yellow. There we go. Santan Fireworks. Whoa! Whoa! Flippin' cool! All right, baby blue. There we go. You know where to get these people. Whoa! ready. Whoa! Yeah, it did. Oh my God, okay, they're leaving early. Well, that's gonna be credit on the ranch tonight when they leave. There we go. Oh, it's still going! Wow! Yeah, it lit up! It lit. Yeah. Whoa! Abe Lincoln just came to mind.
Absolutely.
Yeah, General Grant. Whoa! I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Whoa! Whoa! Wicked! Whoa! Got to zoom out. Look at that. Wicked!
Very nice.
Oh, okay. They refused to park there. We had somebody come in before. Okay, they got lost in the parking lot. That was so cool. I did not expect it to. Wow! That was cool. Yeah, we're going, people. Remember, 180 seconds. There we go. We got people coming in late. All right, Sergeant Pyro is going to direct them to where the open parking lot is. Yep. Right. Parking lot W6. We're full tonight. Whoa. Yeah, we're making our way around the top of that fountain there. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! Safe and sane! Whoa! Whoa, we're coming up on 3 minutes. There we go. Whoa! Did we just got away in time. That was unexpected, Sergeant Pyro.
Yes, it was.
Whoa!
Those are snakes.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Heads up. Whoa. You got like a light blue flame. Whoa. Whoa. Sergeant Pyro, I can tell you right now, he's not going to disco dance, people.
Stay alive! Stay alive!
Whoa! All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Amazing ball! Hey, that was pretty cool. Whoa! And believe it or not, this is TNT. Oh, look at this. Whoa! All right. Oh! Oh, there, there it goes! Whoa! Flaming balls! That is cool! Whoa! Whoa! There it comes. Whoa! 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 Beautiful! Whoa! Holy jeez, look at that! Santan Fireworks. There we go! Whoa! Yes! Yes, we got a barbecue! Oh yeah! People, zooming out! Whoa! They're gonna be really cool! Whoa! They're ready. Whoa! 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 Ah, ah. Oh, so flippin' cool! What is cherry red? Oh, my finger was in the way. Here we go. It's pretty green. I think we're going to see a lot of green if I remember. You asked? BBQ Rando with Sergeant Pyro delivers. There we go. Well, I took 2 steps back, Sergeant Pyro. I thought it was coming out. Oh, here we go. Sergeant Pyro is directing people where to park.